Hello everyone, let's welcome to my channel. Here again we are with a new question of your partial differential equation. So they have given you the partial differential equation, that is x square into dou square z by dou x square minus y square minus 1 into x dou square z by dou x dou y plus y into y minus 1 whole square dou square z by dou y square plus x into dou z by dou x plus y into dou y by dou y equal to 0. So this partial differential equation is going to be hyperbolic. They have given you the second order partial differential equation, and they are saying this is going to be hyperbolic in the region xy plane. This differential equation is going to be hyperbolic in which plane? The xy plane. So what will be the, we have to check what will be the value of your x and y so that this partial differential equation become hyperbolic. Whether the first option, we have to check whether the first option is correct when x value is not equal to 0 and y equal to 1. Whether if I substitute the value has a y equal to 1, it is going to be hyperbolic or not. So to check any given partial differential equation is hyperbolic or not, just we have to check that whether the b square minus 4ac is greater than 0. If I want to check that any given partial differential equation is greater than 0, b square minus 4ac became greater than 0, then it is partial differential will become a hyperbolic. And if b square minus 4ac became less than equal to 0, then it is given partial differential will become elliptic. Okay, so if it is become equal to 0, b square minus 4ac equal to 0, then the given partial differential equation will become a parabolic. So for hyperbolic, the condition is b square minus 4ac must be greater than 0. Let's see the solution of this differential equation. Here the solution is to check at what points your given partial differential equation is going to be hyperbolic. We have to find out the b square minus 4ac, we have to check whether the b square minus 4ac is greater than equal to 0 or not. So what will be the b, what is your a, and what is c? A is nothing but coefficient of your zxx. It means partial derivative of z with of second order, that is dou square z by dou x square. So a is nothing but coefficient of your dou square z by dou x square. So in this given partial differential equation, what is the coefficient of your dou square z by dou x square? That is x square. So the a value will become x square. Similarly, what will be the value of b? B is nothing but the coefficient of your dou square z by dou x by dou x into dou y. So the b value is nothing but coefficient of your dou square z by dou xy. So what is the coefficient of your dou square z by dou x into dou y? That is minus of y square minus 1 into x. So here we will get the value of b, that is nothing but minus into y square minus 1 into x. Similarly, what is the coefficient of your, what will be the value of c? C will be the coefficient of your dou square z by dou y square. So here for the given partial differential equation, what is the coefficient of your dou square z by dou y square? That is nothing but y into y minus 1 whole square. Now here I got the value of a, b and c. Just substitute these values in this equation. Now check whether it is going to be greater than or equal greater than 0 or not for these point. Out of these four options, which option the b square minus 4ac is going to be greater than 0, we have to check. So just substitute the value of b. B value is minus y into y square minus 1 into x. If I take the square of this equation, it will become y square minus 1 whole square into x square minus 4. A is there, a value is x square, and y value is c value is y into y minus. So here we got the value of b square minus 4ac. I got the value of b square minus 4ac value is y square minus 1 whole square x square minus 4 x square into y minus n whole square. Now I have to check at which option this b square minus 4ac is going to be greater than 0. Let's check the first option. What is your first option saying? When x value is not equal to 0. It means x value can be 1, x value can be 2, anything, but not equal to 0. So we can't take the x value as a 0, but I have to take y value as a 1. If I substitute the y value equal to 1 in this equation, what you are going to get? Y equal to 1 and x value is anything. Y is 1, it means 1 square minus 1, it becomes 0. So this equation become 0 or not. If I substitute the value as a y for option 1, if I substitute the value y equal to 1, it will become, this equation, whole equation will become 0. So for the, so it will become b square minus 4ac will become equal to 0. So for hyperbolic it must be greater than 0. It is, but here you got that it is equal to 0. So it is not a hyperbolic for the first option. For second option, similarly I have to substitute x equal to 0 and y is not equal to 0. So y value it may be 1, it may be 2, anything, but it shouldn't be not sorry, y value it may be 2, it may be 3, anything, but y should not be equal to 1. But here I have to take x value as 0. If I substitute the x value equal to 0 in this equation, again I will get the 0. So your b square minus 4ac, it will become 0. So again the option B is wrong. Similarly, let's check the options D. Option D, x equal to 0 and y equal to 1. If I substitute the x value equal to 0 in this equation, the b square minus 4ac becomes 0. So for this, the option D is also wrong. So option A is wrong, option B is wrong, option D is also wrong. So which one option is correct? The C option is correct. Okay. Whenever the x value is not equal to 0 and y is also not equal to 1, then your given partial differential equation will become hyperbolic, or we can say that whenever the x value is not equal to 0 and y is not equal to 1, in that case the value y square minus 1 whole square x square minus 4x square y into y minus 1 square become greater than 0. That's why it is going to be hyperbolic. In a similar way, if they have asked for parabolic, which option is going to be correct? For parabolic, all the parabolic condition is b square minus 4ac must be equal to 0. For all these three options, option A, option B and option D, we are getting the b square minus 4ac is 0. So it become parabolic. Just in this question they have asked about the hyperbolic. For hyperbolic, the b square minus 4ac should be greater than 0. Thank you.